Why do people cling so heavily to what historical figures have said? Historically, there's always going to be some gray area about who this person was. And a lot of times, the most famous historical figures that people cling to didn't even write in their own lifetime. Most of the great thinkers of the past who have held some weight into the present have said something valuable. But to take their personality to an extreme level of respect past what you can know can be futile. Because there could always be some messed up thing that they did that isn't in line with what they said they believe in. Or maybe they're just fooling themselves. Knowledge can be the greatest trickster, the greatest joker. Because what if they were just fooling themselves and they didn't realize it? So, with any of the great philosophers or people throughout history, you got to take them with a little bit of a grain of salt because, just like any of us, people can fool themselves. And maybe you just don't see it either. But that doesn't mean you hate them or disrespect them because of that. Because anyone can fool themselves. It's a part of being a mortal being. It's a part of living in a world where sometimes appearances we confuse with the truth. And sometimes untruth is a part of reality. From a certain perspective, art is always an untruth. It's a illusion that makes us feel a certain way. It shows us something about ourselves that might be true, though. Like when someone's tripping. But when you think you know something and that there's nothing that can challenge you, that's when you should ask why you need other people to believe it's true. Or why do you need to believe it's true? Is there something in your own mind that clings to knowledge? Sometimes it's more about asking the right questions than having the perfect answers.